You probably have remembered my last unboxing video. So today we are gonna unbox this little thing that just came from China. It's the PS2 PS2 discs. Each one cost 0.72 dollars. It's really very cheap. I just received an email that they are giving away these PS2 games so cheaply, so I thought, why buy some? So we are gonna just unbox this. First of all, let's look what is written in here. It says, from cheap reward sale, Jiangsu China warning. Handle this item carefully, contains DVD, and here I had wiped out my address. Only localities there. Now, inside here, there is a bill. So let's check the bill. It says, oh my goodness. Wait a second. Okay, bill, cheap rewards. If the owner of this decide to share the website, it will not be used to them. Only invited members can access the web. First of all, let's go to World 1, $0.72. Call of Duty 3, it's been sold loose, so it's $0.50. And the first Hot Pursuit 2, $0.72. Tekken 5 sold loose, $0.50. Tekken Tag Tournament, it's $72. Mortal Kombat, it's been used and been loose, $30. Killer 7, oh, that's also $30. So let's unbox this little thing out. Guys, I'm just gonna take my unboxing knife since I begin this YouTube channel. And there we go. That's my knife. Rusty. First of all, let's take this bill out. Oh my goodness. That's how you unbox. Yeah. Now right inside this. %100% recycled. Okay. It's been recycled 100%. So that's why it's in some kind of language. This paper, some language. Now this is the one that we are been looking for. This contains the games. Now let's see if this is flawed or real. Let's go ahead and just go ahead and unbox this up. Oh, I forgot. They just emailed me that they only give the red seal items if the seal is broken or blue seal is there. That means the item is flawed. So make sure that the tape is right. Oh yeah, that's how the inside looks like. Okay, let's keep this there. This is the protection. Now, what is this right now? Okay, it's one disc that's been sold loose. Okay, it's been sealed. Right? It says 720p HD Call of Duty 3. Now let's go ahead and take the seal off. That's it, it's open now. The test of the following seed would be there in the next video. This is just a waste. Now let's just take a quick look at this. Let this disc be there, and actually it's in Chinese. I think it's some kind of warning. If any Chinese is here, please let me know what is this. And I don't know what language is this. Comes in these two languages. It's just unboxes up. Really good. Plastic. Little back. It's really hard to unbox this type of plastic. Okay, I think this is the used one. That's the Mortal Kombat. Used ones might be this. It's, oh my goodness. Is it damaged? Nope. If it's damaged, then I will return it. Okay, there we go. It's the Mortal Kombat. It's scratched. Okay, it's used. Scratched. Disc. There. No, whoa. Tekken 5. Let me just build this up. Okay. There we go, the Tekken 5. It's been so loose, that's why it's in this kind of paper. But it's actually a very good game. Now the Killer 7. Okay, it's been sealed. Okay, disc is there. And now I am sure that every disc would be there and none of them is flawed. Now let's look at the Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2. Actually, this is my second favorite one. Okay, there's the CD. Looks absolutely new. I know the God of War. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's our God of War disc. Okay, this is the Chinese one. It must be a little bit high quality. Oh, there are two discs in there. Okay. When did I order this too? Okay, I think it's free with the Tekken Tag tournament. Oh, now I remember. This 3 was a combo. Okay, let's just unbox this up. Okay, I forgot to check the CD. Yeah, it's there. It's something. It's okay. It's there. Now this is a really weird seal. Oh my goodness. This is the best seal. Really hard to open. There's the MotoGP disc. Now the Tekken tag. Oh my days! Oh my days! It's real hard because it's a Chinese high quality. Oh my days! That was really hard. Now there's the Tekken Tag tournament. No, that's it. That's all of it for today, guys. If you like the video, and just subscribe this channel, okay?